Hey guys, it's Thomas here. This is my first pocket knife I got. My dad gave it to me when I was about 7 or 8. But I wouldn't recommend getting it. It's only 3 tools: a nail file, a knife blade, a nail file, and some scissors. You have to keep them tight. So. But
yeah.
I wouldn't really recommend getting it because it can't really cut that well. Now my second knife, well, on a scale of 1 to 10, this would be about 2 or 3. Now let's get my other knife. This is the second knife I got that my dad let me have. It has a saw, a corkscrew with a screwdriver in it, and lots of other stuff, but they're hard to pull out. And now, this is another one that I found in the cabinet. It's basically the same, but a little bit smaller. It has 2 knife blades like the other one, small and the large. It has pliers, big ones, about the same kind. Some bottle openers, a screwdriver, which would be in the same place. Oh, and the 2 things that both of these knives have in common is, well, I lost the toothpick, but some tweezers. They both have tweezers, and they both have a toothpick in it. So, I'm about to show you my biggest one. Well, the sharpest one, which is my, what is it?
Smith & Wesson?
Yeah, Smith & Wesson, it's not a pocket knife, but it's it's just a knife. It's about razor sharp. You want to see how it cuts? Let's slice. Oh, so on a scale of 1 to 10, this would be about 9 or 8. And that's it.
Which one would you recommend?
Oh, the one I would recommend most of pocket knives would be the biggest one, this one, on the pocket knives, and on the knives, obviously.